Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can create an extra storage disk space in our computer. So this process is very easy and we are going to create it using Google Drive. So let's see what is this first of all. So let me open my Explorer, Windows Explorer. Now just click here this PC. So you can see here there are 3 disk drives available. So we will just create a new disk drive which will be created by our Google Drive, and this will be useful to sync our local files. You can also sync your local files and it will provide extra storage for you. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, do follow me in my Instagram, and you can easily message me if you have any query, if you have any doubts, any problem, and you can easily message me. And you can also follow me in my Telegram channel. Here I post about latest information, and if you have any query then please do message me in my Instagram. So now let's start the video. And first of all, let me open my browser. So this is a normal Gmail which we will be using for our process. And now search for this Google Drive desktop. Like this you have to search. So you can see the first link over here. Just click here and you can see here you safely store your files and access them from any device. So basically this is a disk space which is provided by Google Drive, and using this disk space you can sync your local files. You can upload your local files to this drive and you can easily access from anywhere or any device. So this provides an extra storage for you, and let's see how we can do this process. Now download this application by clicking over here. So I have already downloaded this, so I will be installing now. So just minimize this and you can see this I have already downloaded. So just double click here and click yes, and now you can just check this box and uncheck this box because it will add this Google Docs, Sheets and Slides to your desktop, which will be create a mess. So you want just this app Google Drive. So we have just checked this box, and now just click install. So you can see Google Drive is successfully installed. Now just close it and you can see an application is created over here. So now just double click here to open the application. So you can see this application is opened and you can safely store your files in your folders in Google Drive, and you can upload your photos also. You can automatic backup everything, your local folders and files to this Google Drive. So let's see. Now just click get started, and now we have already an account over here. Now what we will do, we will just sign in. Now just click sign in. So we will be using this email for signing in. So just copy this email and paste it over here, and now just click next, and now you have to enter your password. Just enter your password and click next. So it's asking for confirmation. Now just click sign in. So you can see it's showing success. We can close this window and return to the Google Drive application. So wait, it's loading. So you can see over here the success message. We have successfully logged into our Google Drive. So now for now we will just click skip over here. So you can see you can upload your files and photos over here. Just click got it, and let's just click skip over here and just click next. Now you can open your drive. So you can see over here it's providing 15 GB of space. Now let's suppose we open our Windows Explorer and this PC. So you can see over here a new drive is created of 15 GB like our local drive. So you can upload your files, folders, anything over here. So you can see this, the extra Google Drive, so disk space provided by Google. It is providing 15 GB of space. You can upload your files and folders and images, everything you want in this Google Drive, and you can access it from other devices also. So now let's upload a file or folder over here. So I'm going to upload this folder over here. You can also see in this tray icon the activity. So you can also search your files and folders over here. And now let's just upload a folder over here, this folder. So what we will do, just copy it and open your Google Drive and open my drive and just paste it over here. So you can see it is pasted, and after pasting this, just refresh this and open this. So after these files are uploaded, you can see also the activity over here. These files are uploaded. You will get a tick mark over here. It shows that our folder is synced or uploaded to the Google Drive. So you can see our folders are uploaded in the Google Drive. You can easily access it from here. So this is useful if you want to store some movies or anything you want. You can easily store it over here. So you can see the activity. We have successfully synced our folders. You can easily access these folders or files from your mobile also. So in this way we can create an extra disk space in our computer using Google Drive. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.